Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today we are going to make this beautiful clay Ganesha. For this, I'm going to use this beautiful DIY kit that I have received from Festive. They have their own app called Festive and a website festivehq.com, where along with this kit, they also publish some magazines, ebooks and mythology stories, and it's available in the USA and Canada. Here first of all you have to apply oil inside the mold. It can be any oil. Now take small pieces of clay one by one and put it inside the mold. Every time press the clay firmly into the mold for better shape. Now in this way properly fill the mold with clay. Once the mold is completely full, you can smoothen the backside in this way. After completely drying up, you can simply remove the mold. To make a stable base, take some clay and roll it into a cylindrical shape. We have to prepare a stable base for it so that it can stand properly. Now attach the base with the idol. Smoothen the edges by using your fingers. You can also add some designs in this way. After completing this, let it dry and then you can color it according to your choice. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and don't forget to visit their website.